I'm going bad for real. I got tattoos on my body, ain't gon' black for real. They told me that I should stop, but I'm in my bag for real. Chopper sing like it's a choir with that mag for real.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be working with this this wig right here. I got it from Amazon for $50, okay? And I got it in the color rose gold. I'm just gonna show you if it focuses. There we go. All right. So this been going viral on TikTok. I know I'm late or whatever, but oh well. And I want to try it out. So today we're gonna install this wig or whatever. We're gonna see if it's giving what it's supposed to give. I wanted to get the color black, but it was sold out because you know the girls was getting it. The girls got it. So woo. Yeah, I'm so nervous. Like, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Like, I'm used to colored hair. I've had colored hair a whole bunch of time, but I've never had this color. So it's giving, I don't know. It's giving, I don't know. So we're gonna see. So this is the front. This, I guess it'll be the lace front part. It come with these combs right here and a comb in the back, but I'm gonna cut these two combs out right here because they are they hurt. Like, it's no other reason, they hurt, and I'm not feeling it. When I was looking at the wig online, right, the curls look different than how they look right now. I don't know if y'all can see, but we gonna see. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys what I use to tint the lace on the wig. Ooh, it's giving grandma. All right, so I can see what the hell I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna cut the task. It's not a bit tight, but it's a little tight. And don't cut it too close to the lace. Well, yeah, to the hairline of the wig. I'm telling you, I'm smacked, okay? Just work with me, okay? Just work with me. So I'm gonna try to do it like lay piece by piece, so I don't mess anything up and that everything is lined up perfectly. Okay, so we're gonna just we're just gonna continue to do that around the whole head, and just I'm gonna speed through that process, and then I'll see y'all when everything is dry. Because I knew I missed a few spots, I'm gonna cut the lace off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and touch up the little spots that I missed with the glue, and then I'm gonna tie it down and blow dry it, and then we're gonna get into plucking and then giving us some cute little baby hairs. You already know, okay? Okay, it's coming off like white on this on camera, but it's really not like, it's really not that white. Time for the fun part. All right, the baby hairs, the baby hairs. Well, since the wig is so short, I want to do a dramatic baby hair. All right, so I had to clear some space on the camera, but we looking kind of cute so far. This is how the baby hairs are. I'm gonna have to trim them down, some of them down, but I'm gonna see. We gonna see, we gonna see. All right, y'all, so I finished doing the baby hairs. I just tied a little thing around the baby hairs to lay down, and then I put a cap on, just a cap. I put a little scarf on just to like flatten it a little bit because it was like old puffy. When I take it off, I'm gonna see if I need to trim it a little bit, but we about to see what it's hitting for and what it's looking like. All right. Okay, you guys, so this is how the wig came out. It's super cute. Like, oh my god, I really do like it, y'all. It's very affordable. Like I said, like $50. All right, you can't beat that. Quick to install. I really love how I did the baby hairs. I think that's really like my favorite part. I think it came out super cute. Remember, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry I didn't get to do a proper outro again, but we gonna get right back to it. Thank you guys.